Look at the trees. It's like icicles on the trees. Like, I ain't never seen this shit out here. This is Mississippi. Icicles on the trees like that. That is so pretty. So pretty. All the trees are white. I don't know if you can really see it that good, but the trees are white. Let's see if we can go. Try not to. There's snow on the ground everywhere. Let me be careful. So I ain't trying to die. But look at the icicles on the trees. It's so pretty. All the trees are white. All the trees are white. Let me pay attention though. It's my time for this shit. I ain't got time for that bullshit. I ain't got time for that shit. All the trees are white. So pretty. Oh, look at that. Icicles. Icicle trees. All the trees are breaking off though. Look, trees on the ground. Look. Trees down everywhere. Cause see, we not used to snow like this. These trees is like, no ma'am, no sir. I never. Look. That's actually the tree in my yard. That's actually our tree that fell. There's another tree down in their yard. Trees down everywhere out here. Oh man, dang. This has been one of the worst winters we've ever had because of Corona. Look at that, pretty, beautiful. I don't think y'all can see the beauty in that. So pretty. So pretty. Look at that one. I wish I didn't have to drive and I could just ride and videotape it. It looked like just tree, but it's icicles on them. I don't know if you can actually see the icicles. It's like ice. They're ice trees. Okay, let me. Oh Lord, trees down everywhere. Lord. Yeah, they breaking off. Because a lot of these trees are actually dead. They just don't chop these trees down like they're supposed to, because the tree in our yard is completely dead. Like, you can break off a branch and it'll just turn to mush. Like, it'll just crush up because the branches are all dead. So yeah, they falling off. I'm scared that it's going, and that tree is actually leaning over my house, and I'm kind of scared that it's going to break off a humongous branch. Oh, see, houses on fire everywhere. And I wasn't gonna say nothing, but I've done seen today, I done seen about 4 houses on fire. 4 houses. Then I saw the fire truck at a house this morning, and then right up the street from it, it was another house that was just got burnt up, and because I think people are lighting candles because they don't have power. So look, that's another one. Houses burned down everywhere. I ain't never seen that one's still smoking. That one's still smoking. I done seen, oh, look at that, coming out the store. Water, it must be flooded in there. This is the store I'm finna go to too. I'm trying to get to the store to get some water. Up, see, look, fireman here. Lord have mercy, Lord. What's in snow? What's going on? But it look like they in business though. Cause I am not gonna go all the way to Walmart. Not gonna do it. And I hope there is water, because I know some stores are out of water and stuff because of the storm. So let's see if they have water. So it's gonna be an uphill battle. Oh, let's see what they have. So okay. Alright, let's see what we can find in here. Pretty sure there won't be any water. Pretty sure. Both we are going to look. Going to get snacks. All the fruit is still there. All of the fruits still in the stores. No one touches the fruit. No one ever touches the fruit. They never do. It's always crap. Ooh, let's see, they have a 7-Up cake. Talk it to me. A salted caramel. Oh, we'll get that one. Salted caramel. We'll get that one. Yes. Let's see here. Some potato salad. Get a little thing of that there. Let's see here. I do need some ice cream. I need ice cream. Oh, I need ice cream. Ice cream, yeah? Let's get the fruit. We're going to get the fruit. Yes. Definitely get some fruit. So it's gonna be an uphill battle. Fresh strawberries. Salted caramel. Yes. Yes. Ooh, shit.
sorry for that.
Oh, you need some oranges there. Yeah, oranges, yeah.